We're going to see how a crazy dog reacts when you close the door. He hates closed doors. Watch this. Somebody close the door. You don't like that door? What that door do to you? You don't like the door? Okay. Okay, well go get him then. Somebody's at the door. Go get him. You don't want to go? Go bye-bye. Want to go outside? You want to go outside? You really want to go outside? Oh, isn't that cute? You want to go outside? Huh? You don't want that door closed either, do you? Yeah. Get it. You want to go outside? Let's go outside. Okay, here I come. Okay, let's go. You want me to stop closing the door? Stop closing the door? Okay, I'm going to stop closing the door. Okay, we're going to go outside. Okay, here I come. You don't like that door closed? Get it. Get him, baby. Go get him. What's the matter, Midnight? You got issues? Why you don't like doors? You really don't like them? Huh? I understand. Okay. Go get him. Go. Go now. You want to go get in your kennel? You want to go get in your kennel? You going to stand there and just look at me now, huh? Because I said something about the kennel. You know what that kennel mean, don't you? Why are you being hard-headed, Midnight? Why are you being hard-headed? What did I ask of you? You want to go get in your kennel? Or do you want to go outside? You want to go outside? Okay. Go on. Who is that at the door? Who is it? Who is it? Go see who it is. See who it is. Go see who it is. Somebody at the door. Go get him. Don't stand there. Go get him. Go get him. What was that? Okay, I'm going to leave the door alone, so you can go ahead. I'm not going to even bother the door anymore. How about that? I'm not going to bother it anymore. Okay, you can go ahead. Yeah. This is what happens when you have a crazy dog and you close the door. He don't like the door closed. Okay, we're not going to close it anymore. How about that? Okay, I'm done. You want to say bye-bye, Midnight? You going to say bye-bye? Want me to close the door on you? You going to say bye-bye? You don't want to say bye-bye? Okay, close the door then. You crazy.